Question 2, we are given some information about temperatures and the amounts of gas it takes to heat the house. And they've plotted them on a scatter graph. Now this question here is very easy to miss out. A lot of people miss out, they just don't see it. And it's simply asking you to take these two values, 12.6 and 13.2, and pop them on. So let me just zoom into the graph a little bit better. So 12 and 6, so that is clearly there, and 13 and 2 is there. So that's the easiest 1 mark you're going to get on the paper. Now it asks you to describe the correlation between these points. Now you can see my pen direction was like this. So that is what we call a negative correlation. Just to be safe, because it asks me to describe the relationship, I would be saying, as temperature increases, the less gas is used. That's what negative correlation means. As one variable goes up, the other will come down. So take a look. As temperature got higher, the gas got lower. As you could say, the colder it was, the more gas was used. Any of those answers should be fine for your 1 mark. Now if we turn over, or yours might actually be on just the next page, we get asked this question. Estimate the average temperature on a day when 12 units of gas were used. Now they haven't said use a line of best fit, but you must. You will not get the 2nd mark unless you use a line of best fit. Now this one isn't the easiest graph to do, but your line has got to roughly resemble the pattern there. So what I'm going to do is draw mine like so. Now I'm pretty happy with that. There's lots of answers for this. The examiner will have a piece of tracing paper with 2 lines on, and as long as your line is in the middle, you will get all the marks. Now, when 12 units of gas is used, there's 12 units of gas. So if I draw a line along, and I stop where I meet my line of best fit, I can then come straight down, and mine very conveniently is bang on 6. Now you probably won't have 6 because your line will be ever so different. You might have some answers around here, which is absolutely fine as long as you use your line and your line is a good line. If your line is like this, that is not a good line. It doesn't resemble the general direction of those points. So over here, I'm going to put 6.